10 things that happen to your body if you stop eating red meat. In the next few minutes, we'll shed light on how dietary choices, particularly the elimination of red meat, can bring about significant changes in your body. Before we go any further, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. First up, the scale may become your new best friend. Cutting out red meat can lead to weight loss. You may ask why? It's simple. Red meat, especially processed varieties like sausages and hot dogs, are high in saturated fats. These fats are more calorically dense, meaning they contain more calories per gram compared to proteins or carbohydrates. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, regular consumption of red meat is linked to higher calorie intake. This is due to the high fat content, which can lead to weight gain. The same study also found that replacing red meat with plant-based proteins can lead to a decrease in overall calorie intake, thus promoting weight loss. But how does this work? Our bodies store excess calories as fat. By reducing our intake of high-calorie foods like red meat, we can create a calorie deficit. This means we're burning more calories than we're consuming, which is the fundamental principle of weight loss. There's also the issue of digestion. Red meat takes longer to break down in the body compared to plant-based proteins. This means your body uses more energy digesting red meat, leaving you feeling sluggish and less likely to engage in physical activity. So it's not just about cutting calories, but also about improving your overall energy levels and well-being. And let's not forget the role of fiber. Plant-based foods are often high in fiber, which can make you feel fuller for longer, reducing the temptation to snack on high-calorie foods. So swapping that steak for a salad might just be the secret to shedding those stubborn pounds. Next, your body's pH balance may experience a shift towards alkalinity. Now let's delve into what that really means. The pH scale is a measure of acidity or alkalinity, with 0 being extremely acidic and 14 being extremely alkaline. Our bodies naturally lean towards a slightly alkaline pH level, around 7.35 to 7.45 to be precise. Red meat, however, is known to tip this balance towards the acidic side. You see, when red meat is metabolized, it leaves behind an acidic residue, known as a metabolic waste product. This can cause our body's pH level to drop, making it more acidic than it should be. Numerous studies, including those published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition and Journal of Environmental and Public Health, have shown a correlation between a diet high in red meat and a lower pH level in the body. And why does this matter, you may ask? Well, an acidic body environment can potentially lead to a variety of health issues, including an increased risk of inflammation and chronic diseases. On the other hand, an alkaline body environment is associated with better health and well-being. An alkaline body is a healthier body, and cutting out red meat can help you get there. So, the next time you're reaching for that steak, remember this: your pH balance will thank you. Thirdly, you may notice a decrease in inflammation. Now, what do we mean by that? Well, inflammation is our body's natural response to protect itself from harm, but chronic inflammation, that's a different story. It can lead to various health issues such as heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer. And guess what's a major contributor to chronic inflammation? That's right, red meat. Several scientific studies suggest that red meat, particularly processed types, can increase markers of inflammation in our bodies. It's because red meat is high in saturated fats, and these fats can trigger inflammatory processes. An article published in the Journal of Nutrition states that people who consume lower amounts of red meat have shown significant reductions in markers of inflammation. So, what happens when you cut red meat out of your diet? Your body's inflammation levels may start to decrease, which could potentially reduce your risk for various health issues. Less red meat, less inflammation, simple as that. Fourth on the list, your skin may start to glow like never before. The connection between our diet and our skin's health is undeniable. Red meat, as it turns out, can contribute to skin problems. It's high in saturated fats and cholesterol, which can cause inflammation in our body. This inflammation can then lead to clogged pores and acne. But there's a silver lining here. By eliminating red meat from your diet, you could very well notice your skin starting to clear up. According to a study in the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, participants who followed a plant-based diet reported improved skin clarity and reduced acne. Moreover, red meat lacks the essential vitamins and antioxidants found in fruits and vegetables, which are vital for maintaining healthy skin. By substituting red meat with these nutrient-rich foods, you're not only giving your body a health boost but also blessing your skin with a radiant glow, Who knew that ditching red meat could be the secret to flawless skin? The fifth change you might notice is lower cholesterol levels. Now let's delve into the science behind this. Red meat, especially processed and fatty cuts, is rich in saturated fats. These fats contribute to the buildup of low-density lipoprotein, or LDL cholesterol, often dubbed the bad cholesterol. LDL cholesterol is notorious for clogging arteries and increasing the risk of heart disease. Several studies have found a correlation between red meat consumption and elevated cholesterol levels. For instance, a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that subjects who consumed more red meat had higher LDL cholesterol levels than those who ate less. So, what happens when you reduce or remove red meat from your diet? Your body's cholesterol levels can decrease, reducing the risk of developing heart disease. This doesn't mean you have to abandon all forms of protein. There are plenty of alternatives like lean poultry, fish, legumes, and plant-based proteins that can provide essential nutrients without the added cholesterol. In essence, cutting out red meat could be a step towards a healthier heart. Sixth, your risk of certain cancers and heart disease may decrease. Let's delve into this a bit deeper. Studies have shown a connection between the consumption of red meat, particularly processed red meat, and an increased risk of certain types of cancer. For instance, a report by the World Health Organization classifies processed meat as a Group 1 carcinogen, meaning there's strong evidence that processed meats cause cancer. Likewise, research published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that people who eat more red meat have a higher risk of heart disease. Red meat is high in saturated fats, which can raise cholesterol levels and contribute to the buildup of plaque in the arteries, a leading cause of heart disease. By eliminating or reducing red meat from your diet, you could potentially lower your risk of these health issues. Of course, it's essential to replace red meat with healthier proteins and not unhealthy alternatives. So, the evidence is clear. Reducing your consumption of red meat can have significant health benefits, including a potential decrease in the risk of certain cancers and heart disease. A meat-free diet could be a lifesaver, quite literally. Seventh, you might find yourself bouncing with energy. Now you might be wondering, how does giving up red meat boost your energy levels? Let's break it down. Red meat is harder for your body to digest. It uses more energy in the process, leaving you feeling sluggish and tired. But when you replace red meat with plant-based foods, your body can digest these easier, using less energy in the process. This saved energy can then be used for other things, like powering you through your day. Studies, like one published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, have found that people who follow a plant-based diet tend to have higher energy levels. This is due to the high amounts of complex carbohydrates found in plant-based foods that provide a steady release of energy throughout the day. So, by cutting out red meat, you're not only doing your body a favor, you're also boosting your energy levels. Say goodbye to red meat, and hello to a more energetic you. Eighth, not only your body but the planet will thank you too. Reducing red meat consumption has a profound impact on our environment. One of the major contributors to greenhouse gas emissions is animal agriculture, particularly the production of red meat. By choosing to cut back on red meat, you're helping to combat climate change. The process of raising, feeding, and processing livestock requires vast amounts of land, water, and energy. This leads to deforestation, soil degradation, and water pollution, all of which are detrimental to our planet. Moreover, the livestock industry is responsible for more greenhouse gas emissions than all the cars, planes, and trains in the world combined. That's right, your steak dinner has a carbon footprint. But don't despair. The great news is that small changes in our diet can have big impacts. By reducing our red meat consumption, we're not just improving our health, we're also doing our part in preserving our planet for future generations. Every steak not eaten is a small victory for our planet. Ninth, it's critical to remember to replace the nutrients you're losing. Red meat is a rich source of several essential nutrients, including protein, iron, zinc, and B vitamins. However, when we decide to cut down or eliminate red meat from our diet, it's crucial to ensure these nutrients are replaced from other sources. Protein, for instance, can be found in a variety of plant-based foods such as lentils, chickpeas, quinoa, and tofu, along with dairy products and eggs. Iron, another key nutrient, can be found in green leafy vegetables, legumes, and fortified cereals. B vitamins are abundant in whole grains, beans, peas, nuts, and dairy products. Zinc, a trace mineral vital for our immune system, can be found in beans, whole grains, nuts, and dairy products. A balanced diet filled with a variety of fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains can provide a rich spectrum of these nutrients. Supplements can also be an option, especially for nutrients that are harder to get from plant-based sources like vitamin B12. However, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any supplement regimen. Remember, nutrition isn't a zero-sum game. It's not about completely eliminating a certain type of food, but rather finding a balance that works for your body and your health goals. Cutting out red meat doesn't mean cutting out nutrients. It's all about balance. Finally, we've reached the end of our journey through the body without red meat. We've unpacked a lot today, from the potential weight loss benefits to the environmental impact of reducing or eliminating red meat from your diet. We've learned how this choice can lead to an improved pH balance, reduced inflammation, and clearer skin. We've also discussed how less red meat can lower cholesterol levels and decrease the risk of heart disease and cancer. Plus, we've understood that this choice can lead to higher energy levels. It's important to remember that while these changes can be beneficial, it's crucial to ensure you are still getting essential nutrients like B vitamins and iron from alternative sources or supplements. Health isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. It's about making informed choices that suit your body, your lifestyle, and your values. If you found this video useful, please leave a comment below. And before you go, thank you so much for watching our video, and please make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you want to reduce your risk of type 2 diabetes, watch the video on your screen next. Finally, remember to use our calorie and protein calculator in the description below to kickstart and track your fitness journey. It can be your companion and accountability partner on your journey to better health.